Chandigarh University which is this big. So I heard that 21,000 students. Wow, that's great. So I even had an interaction with the students almost for 2 hours, which is really good. So I was only planning to wrap it around by 30 minutes, but I went 2 hours and still think, okay, a lot of good questions being asked. And the main reason for me to come over here was to really, like I said earlier, we have a gap. Industries really demand, a jump start from the engineering, college itself. So they cannot invest their time in, teaching these students, right? So they're expecting a much more ripened fruit, right? So they want all this, whatever they would typically teach the students to happen right from the industries. So that they can take the right students, and even students can also take the right companies. So the whole thing can be much better, right? So much smoother experience for both the sides. So the whole mission for us to come here is actually see how we can actually help in the whole ecosystem. So that's the reason we are designing an internship program which really close this particular gap. So we want to come here and then choose the students who are interested, and then give them a program which will really take them to industry wide applications. They can do it for 3-4 months, and at the end of it we even want to give a certification, so that other companies could also start looking at this program as a potential talent sourcing mechanism, so that the gap which I talked about can be narrowed down. So that's the whole idea. One important thing, like I said today, I think everybody is so interested in technology. So one thing I've seen a change is earlier the role models of students were like celebrities and actors and all that. Things are changing. They have started admiring Elon Musk and people like that, right? That's a very good trend which is happening nowadays. So we want that sort of technocrats to start coming up from the students, and they're talking about innovation cells and that entrepreneurial spirits and all that, which I want to see a lot more engagement from the campus to the students, so they can really, whatever they have small spark, still ignite it much more. So that's the thing. If they have something in your mind, please pursue it further. NI is not very specific to any particular domain, so we are into multiple domains. So we really don't have any specific choice of branch, but we really want good engineers.